Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser or basically any other network related apps in Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and try to download something. In this case, let's go for Call of Duty. And yep, it doesn't work. The same is with Google Chrome. So if we try to reach or refresh any website, we have your clock is behind error. And to fix this, go back to your settings and then scroll down. Find additional settings, enter date and time, and here enable set time automatically. If you go back to your browser and reload the same page, it should work fine. And the same goes with Google Play Store. So if we try again, it's right here and we can install the game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.